Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today we'll do one another real-time scenario on PySpark. Okay, so here what we'll do uh, how to handle complex JSON data. Okay, in our production data when we are fetching the batch file or batch file data or any kind of API from API response, if we used to fetch the data, so how to handle that kind of JSON data, we'll see that. Okay, when we are fetching the data from a API. Okay, so API response means it will come as a JSON response. So that on that time, that kind of JSON, how to handle that we will see. Okay, so here I will use one complex JSON only with few data. Okay, we'll see with that. The basically this kind of complex JSON have multiple structure. Okay, so based on the data, you need to figure out that how you need to process the data, whole data into a data frame. Okay, this will be a semi-structured data. So you can see I'm in this video I'll work with this kind of data. Okay, this kind of JSON. Okay, so here accounting is a department and sales is a different department. So under accounting there are few employees. Okay, and under sales there are few employees. So this here I have already understood that accounting is the parent key here, and also a sales is a parent key here. Under this we have employees. Okay, so this kind of complex JSON always you will get this is not okay. You will get multiple kinds of complex JSON where it might be there, the name would be there, but under the name you will get multiple account or something like that. Okay, so based on the data you need to figure out that which will be your main column and which thing will be in your row. So accounting and sales here is our parent key. Okay, so as it is a parent key, but we can't keep it in as a column name. Okay, because under this column name this employee's name and age, we can't segregate the data. Okay, so for that we need to put one new column as department, where we need to push the department name as account, as sales, and this will be and the other thing will be the employee name, age, and which department the employee belongs to. That thing we need to mention. Okay, so we'll do that and we'll get to understand how we need to do. Okay, don't need to worry about that. So before proceeding with this, if you don't know how to how to load the JSON files in a Spark data frame, for that reason you can go through my video in my channel Cognitive Coders. I have already explained it long time back. Okay, in my PySpark data play series. Okay, you can go and watch it, these two videos. Okay, I have completely explained how to do and what are the necessary things here. Okay, this is my channel. Okay, Cognitive Coders, and you go there and you will get this video. Okay, and there is a playlist. In that playlist, okay, this is the playlist. Okay, the PySpark and databricks. Here you go and you will get to see the video. Okay, how to load the JSON. The two videos are very much important. You can consider it as a prerequisite of this today's video. Please go and watch it first. Okay, so now we'll start the hands-on. So first what we'll do, I have already written the code here. Okay, for saving the time, I'll just go through and execute the code here, and I'll make you understand things better for you guys. Okay, so first I have already, you can see, using the if this command, I am showing you the data which using which we'll play today. Okay, so I have already uploaded the data here from the DVFS. Okay, you can see. So as it's a multi-line JSON, so I kept it as a multi-line true. Okay, so after doing that, the data is coming like that in our df variable, data frame variable. Okay, so accounting is a column, sales is a column. Okay, under accounting, the employees names are coming as an array, and under sales, the employees name are coming. The sales department names are coming as an array. So you can see it from here also. The when you will be working in a complex JSON, this schema will be your main thing. Okay, you need to go one by one, and based on the schema you need to figure out how to segregate the data. Okay, so we have the main column as array. Okay, so as it's an array, so we need to when array data type is there, then we need to use the explode function. Okay, so for getting the data each and every row, for each and every different data in each and every row, we need to explode the data. In export function also I have already spoken here in this playlist. You can go and watch it. Okay, so as we are using two different departments data, we can take these two different variable. Okay, so I did it here the same thing. First I have taken the accounts data. After I have taken the sales data. 1 minute. So now you can see my two data frame. One is account. I have used the explode function. Okay, so here what I have done, I have taken two different data frame for saving the two different accounts data. Okay, one is account department data and one is sales department data. Okay, so and after taking it into two different variable, we have used the explode function. Using select function, we have differentiated, and we have used explode function. So explode function को use करने के बाद how the data is coming? Data is coming like a struct type. Okay, structural type. So as we are getting this as a structural type, so we can directly for accessing the data, we can directly call the keys using the column name. So it will be very much easy for us. Okay, so after that, as you can see, I have two different data frame here. So after that, what I have done, for each and every data frame, I have performed some Spark activities. With column, I have created new column name, age, and I have accessed the column using column key, age key, using the column name. Okay, as it is a struct type data. What we have this kind of usage that we can access each and every key using the column name. Okay, so in this way I have extracted all the three columns. Okay, age, first name and last name. As it is a sales department data, then I have added one new column, department sales, and using the lit function lit, I have added accounts department for all the data. Whatever data we will see save here, from the first to last, all the employees is from account department, then their department will be filled with account. Okay, and after that we'll drop the account dot account explode this function thing. Okay, so this account explode thing. Okay, so if I will perform it, age, first name, last name, department, age 23, 32, John Dewey and Mary Smith, department is account department employee. At age 23, John, last name Dewey, and age 32, first name Mary, second name Smith, department is account. Okay, so in this same way I have performed the sales thing also, sales department data also, but here I have I can do in this way also, but I have used some different function. Without using with column, I have used here with columns. Okay, you guys can also use the with column, but for just where I thought that I can use different function, because when I will do the in front of interviewer, then if you will perform like this, then interviewer will understand that you know the multiple functions uses. Okay, so this will be very much helpful and impactful to him also. Okay, that's why I have used like that. So we using with column, when we will use the with columns, then we need to pass the data as dictionary. Okay, dictionary means key and value. What will be your new column name, that will be your key, and the column value will be like this, whatever we have used here. Okay, you can see the same last name also. Just we have used our column name as a key value. After that we have added one new column, department, and this time department will be sales. Using the lit function, I have done it as a sales. Okay, I have executed the sale. After that I have dropped the sale explode column, this sale explode column, which is not needed for us. You can see I'm getting my data: 27 age, 41 age, Sam Green, Jim Galley. Here also the same data. Something Jim Galley, is Sally Green. Sorry, not Sam Green. It's Sally Green, I think. Here also Sally Green. Sorry. Now, for joining the two dataset, I need to do the union thing. Okay, using union function, we can join the two datasets. I have joined the two datasets. Now the full whatever data you have here, the semi-structured data, this data has a full structured form here. You can see. Okay, so in this way you can handle the complex JSON. Okay, this kind of based on the data, you need to imagine first that how we can do that. Okay, this kind of JSON I have handled like this, but if we have other key value pair, then we need to think about that. Okay, how to segregate the data and all. Okay, so I will upload other JSONs also. I'll try to upload in future. Okay, for getting the notification, please subscribe and press the bell icon, then you will get notified that I have uploaded the video. And I have also telegram channel, this CognitiveCoders. Okay, you can go and join. Here I am continuously uploading the videos link, and also uploading the quiz. You can participate on that. Okay, so yeah, I think you have understood how we are handling the data here. Okay, so union function also I have explained in my channel here in this playlist. You can go and watch it. these all are basically the prerequisite for this video. And the prerequisite videos also I will kept it in I button. You will get it from there. Okay, you will get you can access it from there also. Okay, so if you like this video, please do like. And if you think it's a very I'm uploading important videos for your friends also, please share with them, and please share with your colleagues who are aspiring data engineering, okay, who want to pursue the data engineering, so that they will also get benefits on that. Okay, so when we'll share the knowledge, then we also gather much knowledge. Okay, so please share and stay with us, okay, and support us, because we need support from you guys also. We need subscription and okay, for YouTube recommendation. If you guys will not support, then YouTube will not support us, okay. I can say they will not recommend our channel. Okay, uh, so these all the contents are free. You don't need to pay anything. Okay, if you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Okay, thank you, bye.